Harper, do you want to watch your video on YouTube?
Hey Harper. I just started recording now. It's milk. Milk sign.
You want some milk? It's time to eat?
Okay, it's time to have some milky Cocoa Puffs. Milk. Somebody's drooling. Want some milk, Harper?
Yeah, that's you.
Okay. Come on, Daddy, bring me over to Mommy so I can have milk. Yummy.